Long time no see. How are we doing? So we've got it polished down to the second one. We've got to do one more polish. Got the steering wheel back on and the gauges back in. And the horn button actually works. Because before you would jiggle this and it would honk. Let's try and start. It hasn't been started in a while. And then we're going to put the push bar on. How about that? Do you want to hear? Here we go. Let's see if it starts. It's got squeaky belt syndrome. Looks like you take the brake off. I just want to back it up a little. Man, it sure is a cold-blooded sucker. Like that. That's embarrassing. Don't put that in it. That's noisy. I just moved it back so I can put the push bar on. I hope the gas gauge is still working. Could I have wasted this much gas? Yeah. The clock's a little wrong too. But watch, got blinkers. Wow, it's like a new car. I got brake lights, I hope. They're still working. No door handles yet, but you know, those are these luxuries. We just don't need so much luxury around here. I'm guessing it's pretty close to being out of gas. But take a look. Oh, made me want to not leave the keys in the trunk if I go for a spin. We'll get the third polished here pretty quick and then put the front windows in and the door handles and stuff. And then it's time for the decals. Those evil decals. The 01 and the evil rebel flag. There's the push bar. I painted it last night. Hopefully it looks good. We still got something leaking. I really still don't know what it is. Obviously there's a little bit of engine oil, which I'm kind of expected. But whatever this puddle is it transmission fluid? Is it coming from the cooler? Doesn't look like it. Is it coming from this side of the radiator from the transmission? Let's check the trans fluid. It didn't go back very easily like I wanted it to. But it still looks pretty full. Although it smells kind of burnt. I really don't know. I bought a new O-ring for the dipstick, just in case it was that. Is it still the power steering pump that's leaking? Is it the steering box? Wherever it's leaking, I really can't tell. And that belt squeak drives me insane. I think it's because I didn't put a spacer back in when I changed the power steering pump, so the belt is just a teeny bit off. Oops. Yeah. So let's sit in this pile of oil. No. And get the push bar over here. How about that? It makes it a little shitty. I could be doing it wrong. I haven't give up yet, but so far it looks like this is not gonna work. It's too hard to hold by myself and try it, but it looks like it's not gonna go around these. I swear that can't be right. Maybe it is. Which would be stupid. I'll take these off. It's gonna be another 100 million things to do. I'll make sure I'm not wrong. I don't think I am. There's no way it's gonna clear those. Well, that's disappointing. So here's what we just learned. This push bar connects right here underneath these license plate frame holder, right? But it's not gonna clear these. And I'm, okay, but I swear they would have thought of that. Maybe, I don't know if they're on the original General. I'm gonna have to go look. So I'll get back to you. And there you have it. The push bar is on.
Yay!
Mainly what's holding it is the 2 bolts that go up in the license plate frame. Which is kind of ridiculous, but there it is.